mind. The way you are speaking, the type of accent you are having, means the way I am speaking, I am having that complete Indian accent, right? But you are having some sort of, different accent, right?
Yeah.
So is it coming naturally to you, or you had practiced and you had, developed this
Hello.
accent? Hello?
Are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes, yes. You are audible. You are very loud and clear, right? So, good morning,
Good
Arundhati.
morning. Good morning.
So, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also great. I'm doing great and perfect. Everything is well at my end, and I hope everything is well at your end also, right?
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. All right, Arundhati. So, once again, good morning and welcome to class, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
great. All right. So, Arundhati, please tell me, where are you from?
Okay, so I am from the state of Chhattisgarh. I live in the town of Bhilai, but at present I'm in the district of Dhamtari. I'm not sure if you know that.
No, I'm not aware. I haven't heard the name of that. Very beautiful name. So please tell me, who gave you this name, Arundhati, and what's the meaning of your name? Can you tell me?
Okay, so I think it was my grandma who suggested this name, and the meaning of this name is it is the name of some sage's wife. I'm not sure which sage. Something I think it was Sage Vashishta, maybe. Like his wife's name was Arundhati.
Okay, I'm also not aware. So that's why I'm asking you,
Hmm.
because your name is Arundhati, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, beta. So to start with, Arundhati, yeah, please tell me something about yourself. Means regarding your education, about your
Okay.
hobbies, your
Hmm.
age, about your parents, right? Your brothers, sisters, that way, so that I can
Okay.
hear more from your side. Okay. Yeah, please tell me.
So, my name is Arundhati Roktima, and I'm 13 years old right now. I study in grade 8, but technically, I'm in grade 9th now because my grade 8th exams just got over 2 days ago. So, my results are not out yet. So, I don't know if I'm in 8th or 9th. I'm somewhere between the both of them. And
Okay.
I
All
love to
right.
paint. Yeah, I love to
Okay.
paint
Great.
and
Okay.
read and sometimes sing
Okay.
as well.
Sometime.
Sing.
Sometime. Sing. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. All right. Wonderful. Wonderful. So, what type of song you are interested in singing? Means Hollywood song, Bollywood song, folk songs. What type of songs you love to sing? Please tell
Okay,
me.
so I'm learning Hindustani classical music. So I have been learning that for
Oh,
a few years now.
wonderful. 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 Great. Hats off to you.
Thank
Wonderful.
you.
This is something really great you are doing, right? And that way,
Mm.
you will carry it. You will carry it. Is what do
Yeah.
you call it? Our basics, our roots. We
Mm.
will transfer these things to the future generation also, right? So that is
Yeah.
something really wonderful. Great, great, great. All right. So apart from that, learning and painting, any other hobby do you have?
I love to read. I have read many books.
Okay, wonderful, great, also wonderful. So I asked you other things also, Arundhati, regarding your parents, what your father is doing,
Okay.
what your mother,
Yeah.
about your brother, sister. So please tell me. All right, okay, great. So just now you told me that you are done with your final examinations, right? So you are somewhere
Yeah.
between ninth, somewhere between eighth and ninth class. Wonderful, wonderful. So can you tell me about the subject? What type of subject you studied in your eighth class? The name of those subjects?
Okay, so in eighth we have mainly five main subjects, and they are Hindi, English, Maths, Science, and
Mhm.
in we also have Social Science. But in that we have three subjects in that itself: History, Civics, and Geography. And we also
Geography.
had Sanskrit this year as a third
Okay.
language.
Okay. All right. In eighth class, Sanskrit.
Yes, yes.
Oh, wonderful. All right. Great. Mm-hmm. Hmm. What's the name of your school? Which school you are studying? The name of that?
I study in Delhi Public School, Bhilai.
Delhi Public School. So it's a CBSE board, right? Okay. All right. So who's the author of your mathematics book?
It's the NCERT book. NCERT.
So you are using NCERT book in 8th class also?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah, as far as I know, it is essential, CBSE had made it mandatory that from 9th onwards, the students will, it is essential for the students to use those NCERT books rather than private publishers' books.
Yeah.
So you people are using NCERT books. Okay.
Yes.
Great. Wonderful. All right. Great. So, okay, Arundhati. Now I'll try to ask you a few more questions and you please try to reply to that.
Okay.
So, you are 13, right? And so why you want to improve your spoken English, your communication skills? And who told you about this platform, Clapingo? Please tell me.
Okay. So I feel like communication skills are very important because it's just important in your life. You need to have good communicational skills to tell what you want to other people so that you can understand them and also make them understand you clearly. And communication, if you have good communication skills, it leaves a good impact of your characteristics and your knowledge to the other person, because if you don't have good communicational skills, then you won't be able to tell other people, you won't be able to make other people know about your knowledge and what you know about, right? And I want to improve my communicational skills because I feel like I use a lot of like these filler words. I'm not really that fluent. Yeah. So that's why I joined Clapingo. And I got to know about Clapingo from a YouTube video.
Okay, wonderful. All right. So how many sessions, Arundhati, you have taken before this session on Clapingo?
I think this is my 89th session.
89? Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Wonderful. All right. So you have taken quite a good number of sessions. Wonderful.
Yeah.
All right. So one thing is popping up in my mind. The way you are speaking, the type of accent you are having, means the way I'm speaking, I'm having that complete Indian accent, right? But you are having some sort of, different accent, right?
Yeah.
So is it coming naturally to you, or you have practiced and you had, developed this accent?
Actually, yeah, I have developed this. This is not my natural accent, and so I started learning this accent a few years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And at that time, I was really fond of how foreigners used to speak, mainly Americans. So I wanted to speak in their accent as well. So that's why. Yeah.
Oh wow, that way. Okay. All right. Okay. Great. Okay. Great. Wonderful. So, so you are totally. So you have this totally accent, right?
Yeah. Okay. Kind of.
Great. Okay. Wow. Great. All right. So you had already taken 89 sessions, right? So do you remember what advice and what suggestions you got from earlier speakers? What they suggested you, where you are lacking, and how you can, improve upon those things?
Okay, so earlier I used to use this word like a lot.
Like.
Yeah, so many tutors have suggested me to reduce that, and they have also suggested me to improve my vocabulary and also read books. So yeah, these are the usual suggestions that I get.
Okay, wonderful. Great. Wow. All right. So I'm enjoying this session with you, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, audible. Yes.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. So you didn't told me about your father, what your father is doing, what your mother is doing, and regarding your brother and sisters, right? Please tell me.
Okay. Yeah. So I have a family of 3 people, my father, my mother, and me. I don't have any siblings. And my father works in Bhilai Steel Plant with SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. And my mother is a government officer.
Oh, wow. Great. Wonderful. So in which department your mother is working? And
in administrative department.
Okay. Great. Wonderful. Wow. All right. Okay. So now I'll ask you a few more questions. Before that, if you have any query, any question, you please ask me. Otherwise, I'll ask you a few general questions and you try to reply to that.
Okay, I don't have any queries. You can continue.
Okay, wonderful. All right. So you know what the topic for today is?
Yeah, I think what is right versus what you want to do, something like that.
Okay, great. All right. Okay, so I'll ask you different questions, general questions. So Arundhati, please tell me. Hello, you are not audible. What you
Hello.
said just now? Yes, yes, yes. I'm not able to hear from your side what you said just now.
I didn't say anything. I just said that today's topic was what you want to do versus what is
Okay,
right.
all right. So Arundhati, my first question to you is, who is your role model?
My mother, she's very hardworking and very punctual. She's good with time
Okay.
management. And I especially admire how she can manage all of her work in a really short period of time. But I am not good at time management at all. And I want to learn that from her. That is why she's my role model.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great, great, great. And beautifully replied also. And what about your father? Is he not
He's
your
also
role model?
great. He
Okay.
is kind of my role model, but he's more like me. I mean, he loves to sleep
Okay.
till like
He
really
is kind
late,
of.
just like me. Yeah, he's very laid back.
Okay. All right. Okay. So if you remember anything regarding your grandparents, so if you want, and if you want to share, you can share with me. Anything, whatever you want to about your
Okay.
grandparents.
So my grandma is living with me here in Dhamtiri, and my grandpa is actually a little sick right now. So yeah, so that's it. My grandma is a really good cook. She makes really good. What should I say? Like savory dishes. Like we have this thing called nimki. It's a very crunchy sort of thing. It's a rectangular slip, and it's very crunchy and really
Okay.
tasty. So yeah, she makes really good. Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. All right. Great. So hats off to your grandmother.
Yeah.
Great. All right. Okay. So what makes you happy? What is that thing that makes you happy?
I think everything makes me happy. I feel like I find happiness in every little things. Maybe just when the water tastes good, I feel really grateful for water, because water has different tastes everywhere. Because back in Bhilai it tastes very sweet, but here in Dhamtari it tastes less sweet. Like, do you think water has different tastes?
Sorry. Please come up again.
Do you agree that water has different tastes?
Yes.
Oh,
No
okay.
doubt about
That's
it.
great.
No doubt about it. Yes.
Yeah.
At my place, yeah, the water is very hard. At my place, I am from Mathura, UP. I hope you might have heard the name of my place also.
Yeah.
Mathura,
Yeah.
UP, Uttar Pradesh, birthplace of Lord Krishna, right?
Yes.
So here, water is really hard. But still, we are managing. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, so tell me something about your best friend. Who is your best friend and how you people, become best friends with each other?
Okay. So there is this girl in my class, and we are really good friends. And I think we became friends because we have really similar tastes in books and
Okay.
things like that. We love to read, and we both love the Harry Potter series, and we just admire books and a lot. And I think that is one of the main reasons we became friends.
Okay. And what is the name of your friend? What is her
Her name
name?
is Anishka. Anishka.
Anushka. Okay, so you are Arundhati and she is Anushka. Okay, so both are starting
Yeah.
with A. Wonderful. Great. Okay. All right. So do you play any game? Are you into any sport or not?
Yes. Yes, I play basketball and badminton.
Basketball and badminton. Wonderful. Great. And what about your friend? Is she also playing the same games or she loves to play other games also?
She's more fond of volleyball and she does not like basketball that much.
Oh, all right. Great. Great. And what about pet? Do you have any pet or not?
I used to have a parrot, actually two parrots earlier,
Okay.
but then we just let them be free, and then we left them actually. So yeah, I don't have any now.
Okay. All right. Great. And what about those four-legged pet, dog, cat?
No, no.
Don't you love dogs and cats?
They are good, but I feel like they are very difficult to take care of because you need to feed them, take them out for a walk every day, and yeah, I think
Hmm.
it's okay not to have any pets.
Oh, all right. Okay. So another question, Arundhati.
Hmm.
Actually, I must tell you that yes, you have that very good communication skills, right? So
Yeah,
God bless you. Try
thank
to
you.
improve,
Hmm.
right? And keep on doing that good work. Keep on, consuming more of English. So that way you will improve certainly, right? So keep up that good
Hmm.
work. God bless you. All the best. And
Thank
yeah,
you.
another question. What makes you unhappy? Last question.
What makes me unhappy? Sometimes when I don't get good grades in my exams, that makes me very unhappy.
Oh, all right. So can you tell me your grade of your half yearly examination?
Okay, so my grade was A plus and my percentage was 99.27.